What we started with the mini positions, we will now apply to the complete major scale across all 6 strings while staying in a single position. We will use a 3-note per string approach, which gives us the following configuration: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is known as the Ionian pattern, which is nothing more than a fancy name for a basic major scale. Always start with a downstroke and use strict alternate picking. In order to help you memorize this shape, you might want to start with just the low 2 strings. Practice the shape on the E and A string a couple of times by itself. Then move on to the middle string group. Play this shape a couple of times by itself. Then combine those 4 strings. Move on to the highest 2 strings. Then you can combine all 6 strings and you will end up with the complete Ionian pattern.